Hey, what up guys, how's it going? Okay, I got something super cool here. This is Corsair's brand new 2020 K95 RGB Platinum XT mechanical gaming keyboard. Yeah. So yeah, I got it right here. It was just dropped off by UPS and I'm super excited to get into this. Now this will work with Mac, PC, and even your Xbox One. So yeah, I needed a new keyboard. I'll show you here right now my old keyboard that I've been using since like, wow, 2009 probably. So I was due for an upgrade. Of course, I wanted a mechanical keyboard. Although I don't game that much, I like the tactile feedback of the mechanical keyboard. My wife has a gaming mechanical keyboard that she's been using, loves it. Also, this RGB keyboard will work with Corsair's IQ software. Now, you guys know last year I built two PCs, one for my wife, one for myself, and it's got RGB fans, RGB RAM, all the stuff made by Corsair. So the fact that this keyboard will work with its IQ software, it will all kind of sync together. Pretty cool, right? Yeah, so I'm super excited. So anyways, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna bring the camera in, we'll unbox it and check it out. Laters. Okay, you guys, this Beastmaster has per key RGB backlighting and a 19 zone edge lip across the top keyboard, delivers dynamic and vibrant lighting effects with near limitless customization. Precision molded 1.5 millimeter thick, 104/105 key PBT double shot keycap set resists wear, fading, and shine throughout the years of gaming. Gain an in-game advantage with 6 dedicated macro keys, fully programmable for complex macros and key remaps. Or swap out to the included S keycaps and program special streaming commands through Elgato Streaming Deck software. Cherry MX Speed RGB silver mechanical key switches provide ultra-fast 1.2 millimeter actuation and proven reliability with 100 million keystrokes. A detachable soft textured cushion leatherette palm rest for the plush comfort to breeze through a marathon gaming session. Okay, so here it is, K95 RGB Platinum XT mechanical gaming keyboard. You see the logo right there for the IQ software, and this is the Cherry MX RGB Blue Tactical Clickety Clack. And don't worry, I'll even bring the microphone in next to the keys while I kind of type so you can just hear how loud the click is. Let's take a look at the back and more of the same that you already know and love. That is kind of cool how you can go ahead and download the Elgato software and you can go ahead and put those S keys right there, and instead of having the streaming deck for the Elgato software, you could just go ahead and touch that. Oh yeah. All right, there it is. Now I got mine in black. This is not the brushed aluminum I think they have. All right, let me put that over here. Let's see what's in the box. Okay, it looks like your S keys, key removal, and then some silver keys for you to swap out with what you want. All good. Instruction manual. Ooh, this looks like the leatherette plush palm rest. Okay, here's a look closer up at the palm rest, and as you can see, it's like nice and soft, squishy. Right now, I just have hard plastic, so this will be a huge upgrade over what I currently have. And that's where it'll just snap in right on the bottom to the keyboard. But yeah, I'm digging this. Now this is not wireless. This is not a wireless gaming keyboard. Ooh, I'm digging the black. Look at this thick nylon braided cable it comes with. I mean, this is nuts. It's like jump rope. I think I could rappel down the side of a building with this. I'm loving it. And this feels very sturdy. Like you could tell it's well made. You know what I mean? Okay, let me get you guys a closer look. All right, and here's a closer look And yeah, this is the black, like I said, not the brushed aluminum, and it's solid. This thing it's got some weight to it, but I'm digging the feel of it. Already I'm loving how much better this feels and just looks over my 11-year-old keyboard that I got, wow, for 59 bucks way back when. And something that I'm really happy about is the dedicated media keys, because a lot of the times when I'm in front of the computer for hours and hours, I'm switching songs or rewinding a song, playing, pausing, stuff like that. And right now I have to hold like function and then do the command. It'll be nice to just hit the command. I even like the metal rolling volume knob here. That's pretty cool. But yeah, I love the dedicated media keys. Now, if I'm not mistaken, this is kind of similar to the regular K95, so you guys may want to compare and see the difference between the K95 XT that I have here and the regular K95. All right, now let's also look on this side of it. You can see it has a USB pass-through. That way you can put your mouse right there. You don't have to run another long cord. Or let's say a USB thumb drive or something. You don't have to get up and go to your computer. Just stick it in right there. You're good to go. And then a nice way for cable management on the bottom. And your cable's there. Okay. Rubber feet. And then this right here on the left and right to go ahead and elevate the keyboard if you like. Okay, let's put on the palm rest. I would imagine this will just snap right into place. Ooh. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and sit the microphone closer so you could hear the keys kind of clickety-clack, clickety-clack. All right, now that that's all done, I'm gonna go ahead and hook it up to my computer really quick and go through a couple of the different color settings in the IQ software. Okay, so I got it all set up, ready to go, and as you see on my monitor there, I'm in the Corsair IQ software. So there's a little drop-down tab you could hit right here, and whatever one you pick, that's what the keyboard will go ahead and do as far as the RGB. So right now it's on rainbow. I could pick color wave and see how it's doing that color wave from left to right. Now the keyboard is doing the same thing. Now also, and I'll switch the camera angle so you can see my PC with all the RGB fans and RAM and other stuff in there is doing the same thing. So let me switch so you guys can see. Okay, so you see my keyboard doing it there. And then in the background, you could see my PC doing it there. Pretty cool, right? All right, so let's take a closer look at the keyboard. Okay, so that is color wave. I'll pick another one here. This is rainbow, and it'll just start to cycle through the colors. And yeah, my PC is doing the same. Color shift, it'll start to shift through the colors as you can see there. It'll just keep cycling through. Color pulse, it'll do that, but a little bit faster. Okay, there's color wave. Visor. And what's happening is it starts the color here on my keyboard, runs through, then goes to the first band, second, third, fourth, like in a sequence, one by one. This is my favorite one right here. This is called Rain, and you can see why it does that. Kind of like the rain trickling down. But also it's kind of cool because my PC is doing the same in the background. Now this is type lighting. Now watch when I hit the keys. So that's what all the lighting looks like if you're using the linked portion of the software, meaning whatever you switch it to, you want your PC to go in the same sequence, like all linked together. Now individually, if you want to have your PC light up something else and your keyboard be by itself, there's a bit of a difference. So let me go ahead and select you know, rainbow wave you see there, that's still kind of the same. Now let me go to color shift. That's still kind of the same, but you'll see the difference here with color pulse, how it's fading in, then fading out. Okay, let's go to color wave. And as you can see, it's different from when we had it the linked version way. That's pretty cool nonetheless. Here's visor. See it kind of ping-ponging back and forth. That's dope. Now, don't worry guys, if you ever get tired of the lighting, the same button you use for brightness will also turn it off. So it's like low, medium, high, off. Low, medium, high, off. Kind of cycles through those. Okay, and here's my personal favorite, rain on the individual one. And as you can see, it kind of raining down like that. Dope. Yeah, so just kind of cycling through them, but anyways, that's it. I love the keyboard. It's all set up. Let me go back to rain, my favorite one here. And yeah, I'll even go ahead and turn it off if you like. See, everything's just stealth ninja mode, low, medium, high, and now it's right back. So that's it. Hope you guys liked the video. I love the keyboard. Layers.